Hello, everyone. We are going to see in this video how to add a timer and show total questions and answers that are also visible in progress bar. In order to do that, we will need to turn on immersive learning. First of all, navigate to timed interactions. Then we can set a value in seconds for the timer. In this example, I've set the time limit to 10 seconds. If the user answers a question after the time runs out, their score will not be updated. At that point, they can only view the panorama. After this time ended, a form is displayed to let users send his informations. You can see later his data in your immersive learning table. Thanks for watching.